Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps on how to transfer crypto from your Phantom wallet into your Robinhood account. If you're unfamiliar how to utilize Phantom, not to worry, we have tutorials on that on our channel. They're constantly updating their wallets, and so are we with our videos. So this wallet may look a little bit different by the time you're watching this video, but not to worry. Because all the core functionalities are the same, what they usually upgrade is the amount of cryptocurrencies that they support. You can see here that Bitcoin now is supported. By the time you're watching this, there may be a few others. Right now on Robinhood, you can only transfer in a certain amount of cryptocurrencies. Not everything on this list is transferable into Robinhood. But the big three are like Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And today I'm going to show you how to transfer in Solana from Phantom into Robinhood. Right now, I've logged into my Robinhood account. This dashboard may look different than yours if you're accessing it on the desktop versus the mobile, but it works on both. What you want to do is to click on the crypto tab. And as you scroll down, you can see what type of cryptocurrencies you can transfer in. As I scroll down, you can see the different types of cryptocurrencies, and you can click on show more to see even a longer list. Your view may look different than mine because as you can see underneath Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, I have different valuations. And that's because I've already transferred into crypto. But for example, let's say in Binance, I don't have any crypto. You can see that there's nothing below here. But let's just go to Solana and pretend we don't have any value of Solana already inside Robinhood. The steps are exactly the same. So we just click into Solana right here. And then on the right side here, you can see a buy and sell. Well, where do you send in crypto? Well, you had to click on this little tab downward arrow right here. And when you click that, it will give you different features that you can activate, like market order, limit order, recurring investment, and lastly, send and receive crypto. So you want to click on that. We're going to go straight into receive as you don't have any Solana just yet, but I'll definitely show you how to send later on. So click on receive and you'll see a QR code that you can scan with your Phantom wallet on your mobile phone. Or what you can do is just simply copy the address, and I'll show you how to use it on the Phantom Desk app. Once I copy the address I want to send Solana to, I simply go over to my Phantom wallet and click on Solana and go down here and click send. You want to make sure the contract address is correct. Once you verified that, then go ahead and type in either the max amount of Solana you want to send or any variable amount. For this example, I'm going to put in 0.1 Solana. If it's a new address that you never sent any crypto to before, it will provide this warning that you've never transacted with this address before and to be careful. Go ahead and click next as you do have to confirm this one more time before it actually sends. Here you see how much Solana you're sending, the USD value, which may differ depending on the time that you're sending Solana, and the fee that's involved. Here, it's a very nominal fee of 0.0006 cents. Go ahead and click send, and once the network confirms, you can view the transaction. Although it may take a little bit longer to go into Robinhood, which is more like a centralized exchange. If you want to see the transaction on the Phantom wallet, just simply go on the activities tab here, and you can see here underneath activities, if you click into it, the amount of SOL sent, the day, the time, and who the receiver was. If you want even more details, you can click on view SOL scan, which is right here, and you can see even more details of the transaction itself. The way you know that your crypto is received by Robinhood is by clicking on the notifications tab above. You can see here just 4 seconds ago that I have an incoming 0.1 SOL transferred in. You can go ahead and click on that to see more details. Underneath that notification, it will show you actually all your Solana transactions, which I didn't know. So it showed a previous transaction I did. But really more important to this video is here you can see high five, your incoming 0.1 SOL transfer is complete. If we click back on the crypto tab, you won't see the same amount of cryptos over here as you would on your dashboard because you would have only transferred in Solana. So you'll only see the Solana tab right here, and you can go ahead and click on that. And what you see if you scroll down is your portfolio, how much Solana you have. Obviously, it's going to look different, but you scroll all the way down, you'll see the history of your transactions, and you can see that just 3 minutes ago, wow, time passes really quickly, zero point 0.1 Solana is transferred in. And remember, very simply, if you want to send it out, it's the same tab. So we go to the right here, you can see buy and sell Solana, but we scroll here to the bottom underneath send and receive. You can go ahead and send your Solana in any denomination. You could send, in USD value. What I like to do is send in Solana value. And you can see right here below how much Solana you have. So here you can see that I have 0.26 Solana. And I guess I could just do the same amount for example for everyone to watch here. I type in 0.1 Solana, go back to my Phantom wallet, and just copy my Solana address, which is right here. Feel free to send me any Solana if you want. Paste the Solana address, make sure that it's verified, review it, and it provides a warning just like the Phantom wallet did, but this is a Robinhood wallet to make sure that you're transferring to the correct address. Accept and continue. After you accept and continue, you do have one final step you have to submit. You have to verify what you're sending, who you're sending it to, just like we did with the Phantom wallet. Agree to all the fees and click submit. And with Robinhood, you have an extra security step that's already mandatory for you to verify sending out crypto. Then you can go ahead and right here, accept it on your mobile app, and then it'll finally send out your crypto. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my phone, as you can see right there. As you can see on my desktop, there's another way to verify through taking a selfie. So that's another way that you can verify. And there it is. My 0.1 SOL is sent back to my Phantom address, and you can view the transfer. You can see the processing takes a little bit longer because this is a centralized exchange, but it's probably done on the back end and waiting for the finalization to showcase here in Robinhood. And there it is. It took a total of 11 seconds. It turned green right away, and I should have received my 0.1 SOL back to my Phantom wallet. If I open up my Phantom wallet, what I like to do is to click this little sidebar button here to just kind of pin it to the side there. You can see that if I click underneath my transaction history, that guess what? I received 0.1 SOL back from Robinhood. Simple as that, easy peasy. Click on the crypto tab, scroll down to the crypto that you would like to transfer in. Click on show more to see the different types of cryptos that you want to transfer in from your Phantom wallet. You can also do this on different types of wallet. Of course, you just need to make sure that you're on the right network. If you're sending Solana, make sure you're on a Solana network. If you're sending Ethereum, make sure you're sending on the Ethereum network, similar to Bitcoin, Binance, and any other chain that you choose. And at times, there's bonuses for transferring crypto into Robinhood. Depending on when you're watching this percentage could be different. It could be a different promo. It could be no promo. But they do run promos on occasion. So you could definitely wait, but there are definitely terms, meaning you can't transfer out for a year. You have to keep your crypto in there. If moving crypto is something you like to do, then just keep that in mind. You can transfer in and out really quickly like you just saw I did. But to get the 2.5% bonus, you do have to keep it in there for a year. I'm not advertising for Robinhood. I'm just telling you why people transfer in crypto to Robinhood. A lot of times it is to take advantage of promos like that. Any questions, ask me down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.